Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for a tourist visa, or in other terms an e-visa for Montserrat. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify that neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, more and more countries are issuing e-visas and they are becoming very popular. It's really good. So it's good that even Montserrat has started doing this because this will boost tourism and also it's very convenient. So the very first thing, like who actually need the visa? Because a lot of nationalities don't need the visa. So for that, on this official side, if you go to FAQ, I have opened this countries requiring a visa. So there's a list of countries that require a visa to travel to Montserrat. So you can see if your country is listed over here or not. Okay. And this there's another list where you are not gonna need a visa. So first check if you are in required or not required. Based on that, you can take your call. All right. For example, if you're from India, you don't need. And if you're from Canada, you don't need. Okay, but still we'll go through the process for others. Like the fee is 50 USD. Okay, and this is gonna be non-refundable. This is like processing fee. Paying this fee doesn't mean you are gonna be granted. So here on this main page, you have apply for tourist visa, apply for residence permit. So let's say you're going for tourism, you do this. Now it's going to ask you why you are visiting. So I select visitor. It's asking for a nationality. So I'm going to select a nationality that does need a visa. So I selected Nepal. And let's say somebody from Nepal is doing. Click this and I click on check. So it says, yeah, you need a visa to apply, to enter. Now, uh, this is in 5 tabs. 6, in fact, one is finish. Okay. Where you can actually review and submit application. So personal information, first name, last name, gender, marital status, date of birth, country of birth, nationality, identity. Okay. Passport information, passport number, contact information. Very basic details they have asked. Very basic details. Email is important because email is where they are going to send you the confirmation, right? Travel information, date of arrival, where you are going to stay. Even staying address, they have marked optional. That's strange. And here at the finish, you're gonna put final information and then click on submit. So that's how simple it is, guys. And if granted, you can go through. But again, before you even go through this process, you first verify you need a visa for tourism to Monteserrat or not. And if you need, you can apply through this site and you can gonna pay 50 USD. You have more questions. They have like FAQ section, like how long it's valid. 1 year for the 1 year from the date of issue, and you can have multiple entries and all other questions, and you can go through this. All right. And if you're traveling in a family, then each member needs to submit a separate application. Even minor needs to apply. Okay. But yes, they got to be accompanied by parents. Fee and non-refundable. All right, guys. So I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.